Hello, dear. Happy Tuesday.
Hi.
Hello. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, my dear. Oh, by the way, what did you do today?
I'm
Hello,
fine.
little brother.
Hello, I'm fine.
Hello. Okay, so let's continue our lesson. Okay, let's play a game. Oh, where are your hair clips?
Look, I have the that is very beautiful.
Oh, so white. Okay, can you try to tie your hair? Okay, teacher also tied. I also tied my hair. And how about your headband? Okay, teacher will wear a headband here. Okay. Okay, here. It looks like a crown. Do you have a headband too, my dear? I
Yes,
Okay, let's wear it tonight. Teacher will also wear. Yes.
I have this. It's very cool.
Okay, you can wear it tonight. Okay, clip it on your hair.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. Beautiful. Okay, my dear, let's go to our class while wearing your hair clip and teacher while wearing my headband. Okay, can you see our screen? Now we will listen. We will listen to a story. Okay, here we go, my dear. Let us listen.
1D. Hello again. Listen and look at the picture. There is one example.
Is that your new game, Robert? Yes, but it's
It's wet.
Oh, by the way, my dear, you have to write your answer here, okay?
Yeah,
Why?
okay.
Okay, so let's
quite
listen.
difficult to play. But you're really good at
Oh, teacher,
computer games.
this,
Not
this,
always.
this again. It's again.
Yes,
Again.
play it again. Okay, here we go.
Hello again. Listen and look at the picture. There is one example.
Is that your new game, Robert? Yes, but it's quite difficult to play. But you're really good at computer games. Not always. Shall I teach you how to play it?
Okay, yes. What's it called?
Silver Moon.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write.
So, it's a new game. When did you get it? It was my birthday last Friday. My grandparents gave it to me when they came to see me that day. I really love it.
Let me see. Can you play it with another person?
Yes, my brother and I played it a lot yesterday. We had lots of fun with it, but he always wants to win.
So, who's that alien? The one on the screen?
It's called Zappy. You spell that Zappy. There's a website too, where you can choose other aliens to add to the game.
Wow! Its face is a funny colour green. Is its body green too?
Yes, but its feet are orange. Look.
Okay, so what happens in the game?
The alien hops from one...
Yes, my dear?
Teacher, I don't hear it.
Oh no. Did you hear the sound? No? Okay, let's try again. How about now?
Listen and look at the picture.
Can you hear it now?
Yes.
Okay.
There is one example.
Is that your new game, Robert?
Yes, but it's quite difficult to play.
But you're really good at computer games.
Not always. Shall I teach you how to play it?
Okay, yes. What's it called?
Silver Moon.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write.
Okay, did you get, my dear, the answer? Okay, what's your answer for the first line?
Silver moon.
Okay. How about in the second line? Let's listen the answer. Let's listen for the answer. Okay, here we go.
So, it's a new game. When did you get it?
It was my birthday last Friday. My grandparents gave it to me when they came to see me that day. I really love it.
Let me see. Can you play it with another person?
Yes, my brother and I played it a lot yesterday. We had lots of fun with it, but he always wants to win.
So, who's that alien? The one on the screen?
It's called Zappy. You spell that Zappy. There's a website too, where you can choose other aliens to add to the game.
Okay. Let's go first for the first line. Okay, when did Robert got this game? What day?
The grandfather.
Last, did you hear the day?
Yeah.
Last,
Weekend.
oh, try again. Okay, what's your answer? Okay, let's see. What's the answer?
Wow! Its face is a funny colour green. Is its body green too?
Yes, but its feet are orange. Look.
Okay, so what happens in the game?
The alien hops from one place to another, and you've got to give it food. because it gets tired. It collects socks from different places.
What do you mean?
It loves socks. It takes them from washing lines in people's gardens and puts them in its backpack. It likes socks that are any colour, but red ones are its favourite.
I don't think I want to play it, Robert. Skateboarding is much more exciting.
Okay, so let us see, my dear. Again, what is your answer here? What day? What day do you think Robert got this game? Can you give me a day? Name of a day. Is it Monday? Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Okay, let's see if you give the correct answer. Dun, da, 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 dun, da, dun. Okay, where is it? Okay.
1D.
Oh no. Here. Last Friday. Okay, next line. Robert played this game with
His brother.
Very good. Let us see. Very good. Okay, third line. What's the name of the alien in the game? Okay, you wrote it a while ago. What's the name?
Family.
Try again. What did you
That
wrote?
is that.
Okay, it
Is
starts with letter Z. Do you remember?
F. Double L. I don't know.
Okay. Then followed by A. And then, okay.
W.
Yes, very good. Okay, that's the name of the alien. Okay, next line. What's the color of? Okay, what's the color of the alien's feet? Do you remember?
Teacher, look.
What is it? Oh no. Oh no, I found little brother Peekaboo. Okay. Okay, my dear, what's the color of the alien's feet? Can you guess? Can you give a color? Okay, you guess.
Green.
Okay, let's see.
Green.
No, it's orange. And the last one. Alien likes finding. Do you remember what they like to find? It starts with letter S. Followed,
S.
yes, followed by O.
SOS.
No. Followed by C. Okay, you guess.
Stop.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Red sock.
1D.
Okay. Let's go here.
Okay.
Okay, my dear, you have to draw a line for the correct answer. Okay, number 1. Here. You have to draw a line. Can you help teacher, my dear?
Okay.
Okay.
How do you get to school in the morning?
Okay, you draw a line to the correct answer.
How do you get to school in the morning? I think food allergens. We can do that in the lesson. Television and people in our class. I ride my bicycle, but not every day.
Okay, what's your answer? Yes, letter F. Okay, number 2. This is check. Correct. Number 2.
Do you play video games in your classroom sometimes?
Okay. What's your answer?
No, my friends. We can't do in the lesson.
Okay, you draw a line.
No. Television and people in our class.
But the question is, do you play video game in your
No.
classroom?
Here. D.
Okay, letter D. Okay, check. Very good. Number 3.
Number 3 is what do you like? What do you like talking about with your friends? I think it's our favorite bus is the playground.
But the question is, what do you like talking about?
I think it's blue, but I like black too.
Okay, let's go back to number 3.
No, teacher. No,
Okay.
my friend like yellow moons. I don't know. Why do
Okay.
you like going with your friends?
Okay, you can say we like to talk about number 3. We are still on number 3.
Number 3.
What's your answer for number 3?
Television and
Yes.
people in our class.
Okay, draw a line. Okay, very good. Check. And number 4, your answer is very good. Our favorite place is playground. Correct. Check. Number 5. You can say check like this. Check. Okay.
Check and check.
Yes. Okay. Check again like this. And another check. Very good. Perfect score. High five, my dear. High five. Okay. 5, 5, 5.
High five.
Okay, next. Okay, here's the answer. Okay. Okay, can you help teacher here? Which answer? Okay, my dear, can you help teacher read this one? Okay, my dear. Which answer?
Which answer didn't you need?
Okay. So, it's letter G. And next, what is? Okay, next, what
Which
is?
answer didn't you need? What is the question for this answer?
Okay. So the question is,
Is your friend's favorite color pink?
Okay, and the answer is
No, my friends like purple, white,
oh,
blue, yellow.
okay. How about little brother? What is little brother's favorite color?
I don't know. I
Okay.
my best friends.
Okay. Oh, your best friend's favorite color are white.
My friends know me like pink, and I know the best friends like. I know my best friends like
White. Did you say white?
blue and yellow.
Oh,
My
okay.
know I like pink,
Okay.
white, and purple.
Okay, you can say, my dear, my friend knows me
Yeah, my best friend is
that I like color pink. Okay. And you can say also, and my friend, and I know that my friend likes color peach. Did you say peach? Peach and yellow.
yes. Yeah, teacher.
Okay.
My close friend has a very strong personality. My close friend has a very strong personality.
Oh, okay. And you like your friend. You like your friend's personality. She is kind. She is pretty. Okay, like you. Okay, my dear, good job. Very good. Now let's go to the next. Oh, here we go again. Let's say, okay, here's the question. Question number 1. Can you see? Okay, my dear, can you help teacher here? What's the question?
Something that's round.
Okay. Find the things.
Backpack.
Okay, backpack. What else? Round.
Clock.
Okay. What else? Something round.
Ball.
Okay, here's the ball. What else?
Bike.
Okay, the wheel of the bike. Okay, here. 2 wheels. Okay, very good. Good job. Clap, clap, clap. Okay, next. Next question. Can you see? Okay, my dear, number 2 question, please. Okay. Number 2 question. Can you see? Okay, can you help teacher?
Here.
Okay. Okay. Yes, very pretty.
No, it's very quickly. Here, look.
Yes. Stylish. Do you know what's stylish?
No.
Okay. It means that you know a lot of styles, okay? Like 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 what you did with your hair. Okay, my dear, question number 2, please. Can you see something? Okay, what's your answer?
My answer is Switzerland.
What is
Wait.
it?
I my answer is the door.
Okay, yes.
Chair.
Okay. Here, and another here. What else? Something brown.
Here, I know that.
Okay, can you circle the... Oh, yes. What do you call that?
I don't know that.
Okay, that is called... Here. Fence. Okay, can you say it?
Friend.
Okay. It sounds like fence. Okay, my dear, can you say it again?
Friend.
Very good. Okay. What else? Can you see something that is brown? What
No.
else? How about this one?
What?
Is this
Oh,
brown? Yes. Okay. The pants of the man. Okay, next question. Oh, here's the question. Where?
Oh.
Okay, can you put circle on the rainbow? Where is the rainbow? Yes, okay. Okay. Now let's say, here's the rainbow. Okay, first question. Okay, my dear, how many colors? How many colors are there?
How many colors are there in a rainbow?
Okay, what's your answer? Okay, if we count it here, can you count the colors here?
7.
Yes, okay, 7. Next
Tìm biết một cộng
question.
tìm biết 1 cộng 6 bằng bao nhiêu? Bằng 7 đúng không?
Okay, now you have
Vậy
to
suy ra
make a story, my dear. Okay, here. You can
thành
say
7. Vậy suy ra
I.
thành
Okay, can you give me a name, my dear? A name of a girl.
ra bao nhiêu cái khu phố?
Okay.
Sai.
Okay, my dear, can you
Bảy.
give me a name of a girl?
But it's anytime. Here,
Okay, let's
anytime.
finish this quick. Can you give me a name of a girl? Okay.
Daisy.
Okay, Daisy. And the name of her sister? Teeny.
No, China.
Okay, China. Okay, Daisy and his sister China. Okay.
Go
Can you...
to school each morning. They don't go by
Can you...
bus
Okay, bus.
because their school is near their home.
Okay.
Last
Any day.
week
Any day. Can you give any day? Monday,
That's
Friday.
Friday.
Okay. Okay, what's next? Last Friday morning.
They got very wet in the rain.
Okay, give me a...
I don't know.
Okay, their bags. You can say their bag or bag. Okay, their bag. Their bag was wet. What
Their
else?
bag was wet. Their, I don't know.
Their dress
Oh, dress
or
and
dresses.
their t-shirt.
Yes, and their shirts.
Shirt.
Okay, what else? Next.
And the rain stopped, and the sun came out. Look, said, wow.
Daisy.
And Daisy point and Daisy said, Daisy, look, said Daisy, and point at the sky. That the
Beautiful. You can say...
beautiful, pretty or beautiful,
Okay.
beautiful rainbow in the world. Wow, said
China. Okay.
Look, uh, look at all the colors. I can see red, orange, yellow, green, blue,
Okay, very
blue
good.
again, and purple.
Yes. Quick.
Quick,
Take
a photo of it with your rainbow
or camera.
or camera.
Okay.
I took
China.
China took the photo and showed it to Daisy when they got to school.
Okay. China.
China's photo was so pretty.
Yes.
The art teacher put it on the school computer. After that, every time
Okay.
I don't
Okay, let's
know.
continue. They could see China's picture of the rainbow on the screen. Okay, very good, my dear. Good job. And okay, thank you for tonight. And we enjoyed the lesson. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, good night, my dear.